Hey, what's good, people? I hope you guys doing well out there. So today I'm going to do unboxing video. This is my first time. I got GoPro Hero 9 Black here, as you can see. Hope you guys can see it. Just got it. Bought it in Harvey Norman for 1,899 ringgit Malaysia, and I got this micro SD 256. I got the highest one here because this camera shoot for 5K video, so you're gonna need more space. So yeah, let's check it out. Seal here. So it goes. Pretty excited. This is my first GoPro I ever bought. It's got a nice package. Okay. Let's check it out. There you go. The charger, cable C type. Got the screw for the holder, and this is the mounting. One battery. Yeah, this is the mounting for the screw, and this is the GoPro. Yeah, pretty good though. Okay. Yeah, got the front screen here. This is the lens. This is the back screen. So it's just that package here, the places. So yeah, I'm gonna set this thing out and I'm gonna do some skateboarding shooting. Let's go. So now we are outside. I'm using Hero 9 right now. I'm gonna test the camera. Let's see how it goes. guys, I'm gonna end the video. Hope you guys enjoy it. I see you guys in next video. Peace.